So we all know the Autel Nano Plus is an absolutely great camera, but one thing is actually missing. If you want to produce that smooth cinematic footage, being able to set your shutter speed at double your frame rate to be able to get that cinema standard footage and get that absolutely epic video quality that you want and deserve, then you're going to need a set of these. These are Freewell ND filters for the Autel Nano Plus, and what I'm going to do in this video is just briefly show you exactly how they work, how you pop them on, and what sort of footage you can come to expect when you use them. So let's get into it. So what I really like about this kit is, as you can see, this is the all-day filter kit, and you basically get an ND4, ND8, ND16, 32, 64, and what's really cool is you can see we get that ND1000, which is going to be especially ideal for long exposure photography. But all we need to do is pick the ND filter that we want. I'm going to go with this one. This is the ND32, if that's focused. So then you just need to take your Autel Nano and then gently slide this on. Okay. Obviously all ND filters are a little bit fiddly, so as you can see it just slots in the back there. Okay, and then that is neatly fitted. Now it does look like it sits a little bit not as far as the bottom of the camera, but if you look here, if that's focused, you can see it is actually deliberate. So there we go, that is the ND32 fitted to the drone, looking all good, and I can assure you that is pretty secure. Okay, so I wouldn't worry about that coming off. So if we revert back to the Autel Sky app, then all we need to do is pop into our settings here, and you can see we're going to set our video frame rate. Now on this drone we have 30 frames per second, 25 or 24. To make it simple, I'm going to leave it at 30. Now for the golden rule of smooth cinematic footage and get that correct amount of motion blur, you should always set your shutter speed at double your frame rate. So of course, if we are recording in 30 frames per second, our shutter speed needs to be 1/60. So let me just set that as 1/60, and there you go. You can see the exposure has changed on screen. Now this is actually the look I'm going for today. Otherwise, if you wanted it slightly darker, you could of course upgrade to the ND64. Now that's all set. All we need to do is press the record, and then what we can do now is go out and fly and continue and film our subject. So there we go then guys, that was a review of the Freewell All Day Kit and ND filters for the Autel Nano Plus. What I will do is I will leave a link in the video description down below so you can go and get a set for yourself should you have this drone and want some of these. And what was even more pleasant is while I was out flying in this location, I actually bumped into somebody that has actually viewed my channel, and we had a really good chat about drones and all sorts of other stuff. So that was really pleasant and nice. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're awesome. See you again soon.